Now everyone is required to work from home, you may be forced into a lifestyle which you aren't familiar with. But don't worry, as you certainly aren't the only one. For all of you who aren't used to remote working, here are a few tips that we have for you on how you can and should deal with your own mental well-being during this change. First of all, where you work is essential. Some of the luckier ones have their own separate space, but even if you're working from your own kitchen table, it's important to set up a comfortable environment. Make sure you have everything you need at hand and that your working space is yours alone. But the most important thing to remember is to leave your working space at the end of the day. Whether that's closing your office door or cleaning everything off your kitchen table so you can get on with your normal life. If you have kids at home, they can often be rather distracting and pull you away from your work. So a good thing to make sure they don't interrupt you is a traffic light system. You can display a simple traffic light system on the door of the room you're working in. Show green when it's okay for the kids to come in, or red when you can't be disturbed. This is easy to do and all ages can understand the system. This next one may be quite an obvious one, but make sure you never work from your couch, no matter how tempting. I can guarantee your back won't thank you for it after a couple of days. Working from home can often provide more distractions than if you were in your office, so a good way to make sure you get everything done is a to-do list. At the start of each day, write down what it is you need to carry out in that day and display it somewhere it can always be seen. This way, you don't miss any important tasks and ensure you get everything done. But always give yourself time in between for the inevitable interruptions in your day because they will happen. And finally, make sure you're familiar with all the remote tools you need to work from home. Of course, this is an easy one for you because we're here to provide the training and solutions you need. If you're in need of any help when it comes to remote working, One Stop can give you access to our training portal, where you'll find courses on everything from mental well-being, remote working, Microsoft Teams, and so on. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.